In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Exness password. Now there's a few passwords you can actually change, so let me show you all of the possible ways you can do this. The first thing is if you want to change the password for your trading account. You want to sign into your personal area, go to trading top left, and then click on accounts. In here, you want to go to real or demo and pick the account you want to change the password for, and then you can go and click on this arrow down and click on change trading password, or click on the three dots over here and then click on change trading password here. Type in the new password, click on change password, and it's going to be changed. That's the first way. But if you want to change the password for your entire account, you have two options. If you have the access to your account, go to profile on the left and then click on security. From here, under password, click on change, and you can go and type in the new password, repeat, of course retype it again, and click on confirm, and your account is going to be changed. But if you're locked out of your account, if you're sitting on the sign-in page and you can't remember your password or something happened, you could go to the bottom, click on I forgot my password, and then here you want to type in the email address you actually used to sign into your account. So I'm going to use mine over here, and I'm going to click on continue. You're going to receive a verification code to your email. So just open up your email, and then in there you'll see a verification code from Exness. It's going to be called password reset. Go ahead and retype it or paste it in here. And then from here, you can then go and type in the new password you want to use. Make sure it meets all of these requirements down here. And then just retype the new password by confirming it. Click on change password, and you've successfully changed it. After you do this on the sign-in page, you can just retype the new password and the email you use, and you'll get access to your account, and of course you can sign back in. That's all the ways to change the Exness password. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.